In this video, we'll take a look at what's new in Filmora 11. Take note that this is the beta release, so some of the features might change slightly in the final release. With that said, let's dive straight in. I have a clip here on the timeline. It is just a person hitting a tennis ball. We're going to use the speed ramping feature to make this more exciting. To turn speed ramping on, what you can do is just to double click it, and under video you can go to your speed, and there is either uniform speed where you can adjust the speed faster or slower, or speed ramping. We're going to use speed ramping, and you have a chart that shows you how you can actually do the speed ramping. There are some presets that you can use, for example some montage, some hero shots or bullet time, and when you click on it, Filmora will create this graph here that shows you that it's playing 5 times the normal speed, and then it will slow down and then it goes back up to 5 times again. So if we play this, this is what you will see. So it is a little bit too fast. What we can do is actually we can adjust this, and you can adjust this using all the keyframes. Alright, so first I'm going to adjust the speed back to 1x for this, and for this as well, and instead of 0.5x I'm going to lower this down. All I'm doing is grabbing the bubble and dragging it down. As you can see from the timeline, the length of this clip got longer. Let's play it again. However, I can adjust it a little bit more where I want to see the player hit the ball. This is what it looks like on the big screen. Now if you want to add some adjustment point, you can go to this to add an adjustment point, and when you add an adjustment point, this is what happens. A bubble like this, and you can either speed up or slow down. Alright, and here you can save it as a custom, so click on this, click on OK, and you have a different preset. So we're going to create a mask behind the car. I'm going to use a simple mask, and although this is not an entirely straight line, this effect will still work. So the first thing that you want to do is to move to the position where you can put your first mask. Okay, so double click on the clip, click on mask. Now there are several masks that you can use. We will use the single line in this case. I can invert the mask so that the line is on the other side. So let's go to the first position over here and add a mask over here. Click on add to add a keyframe, and you can see it over here. Click on OK. Let's move forward 1 frame. Next, click on this. Okay, drag this on. You don't have to create a keyframe. Filmora will create the frame automatically for you, and then repeat this. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Split the video clip here and delete this. Click on OK. So next I'm going to bring in this clip down here, somewhere around there. Let's go back to the first keyframe. Just overlap it a little bit to be on the safe side, and this is the effect that you will get. To create a video using the Auto Montage Maker, select all the clips that you want to use, right click and click on Auto Montage Maker. Here you have the option to add additional clips or remove some clips, and this will be the whole length of your montage. When you scroll down, you can choose the music. If you want to change it, all you need to do is click on it and change your music. I'm going to select this song here, and then next, as you scroll down, you can select the beat cut, whether you want something to be fast or slow, and you can actually vary between the fast or slow. I'm going to leave it as it is, and then the video effects, whether you want some RGB, you want some glow or some blurs, I'm going to use this blur here and have a higher amount of glow. Once you're ready, click on Analysis and Preview. This is what it looks like. Once you're happy, you can export to the timeline or make some more changes and go back to Analysis and Preview. It is a quick and fast way to create some auto montage. You can look for stock media from Pixabay, Unsplash and Giphy. If you want to look for a video clip from the beach, all you have to do is type in the beach. You can have an option of selecting videos or photos. When you hover over it, you can see a sample. If you like it, you can download this and add it to your timeline. To create a video using Instant Mode, click on it and you will be taken to this where you can actually select templates to help you create your videos. When you hover over it, you can actually have a brief preview of what is the video all about. Okay, I'm going to select this. Next, import your media. I'm going to click on this and select the video clips from this folder. To remove unwanted videos, I'm going to select this one. Yes, remove this as well. If you want to add more video clips, click on the import again. Let's add this one here. And next, click on Auto Create. Give it some time. And you have this video. I'm going to pause this. Let's rearrange this. Put this at the back of the video. So we open something like this. You have this travel intro. You can also make changes to this. And you can also adjust a bunch of other things as well. Okay, and you can also change other things as well. Make your text smaller, move it a bit, click OK when you're done. If you choose to remove some of this, you can actually delete this as well. If you just want a video, right, and there are other things as well. If you can create, whether you want to have only the effects with titles and transitions, you want to have no effects at all, you can do that. And once you're happy, you can just click on export to export the video and you are done. This is quite a good feature if you are planning to make quick videos. Just throw in a bunch of video clips and rearrange them as appropriate and you will have a video in no time at all. I hope that this video has helped you. If you want more tips and tricks, do check out the video that's on the screen right now or check out the links in the description to my video courses.